Hi, Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty with offices in Marietta, Ohio, and in Vienna, West Virginia. Welcome to Coffee with Coatney. Today I'm going to begin to talk about first-time home buyers, the process for buying your very first home. The very first thing that you have to do is decide, okay, I am ready to buy a home. Now, have you discussed this with your partner? If you have one, it's important that both of you are on the same page. And things to think about is like, well, are you planning on having a family in the future? When will that be? Or is there a possibility that either one of you may be relocating, and that too should impact your decision. But if, let's say you've made that leap and now you're going to start the process of buying a home. So what are some of the first things that you have to do? What is the process? It's quite lengthy. There's probably 13 or 14, depending on whether you lump certain categories together. Now, the thing to think about right now in the Mid-Ohio Valley, as if you're going to start looking for a home, your very first time home, that there's not a lot of inventory. In fact, the inventory is really low. Well, how much inventory is there right now, and where is it at? Well, in the entire Mid-Ohio Valley, there's a little less than 200 listings in the MLS, and it's actually 198. And of that 198, there's about 98 in Wood County. There's 63 over in the other side of the river in Washington County, and the remaining 37 are in surrounding counties. So the inventory is really low. Perhaps you've targeted a certain city or location, and today there's some locations are more popular than others. One of the popular places to try to find a house is in the Williamstown area, and right now there's only 6 listings in Williamstown. Other popular location is Vienna, and Vienna there's 20 listings. Belpre, many people like Belpre, but there's only 11 listings in Belpre, and there's some that like the Mineral Wells area, and there's only 2 listings out there. So inventory is really low. So if you're thinking about becoming a first-time home buyer, you need to have a complete understanding of the process, and the next step is trying to get your finances in order and to get pre-qualified, and we're going to talk about that in the next Coffee with Coatney. So hope you're having a great day, and I will talk with you real soon.